This stainless steel built-in electric single oven from Bosch is ideal if you want an amazing quality model with fantastic features to help you in the kitchen. It has an A energy rating and a large electric fan oven with a 66-litre capacity, which means there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. The 3D hot air system creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back of the cavity circulates hot air, which is released through several vents to spread heat quickly throughout the oven. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf. And because the hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer, so you can make a variety of dishes at the same time. Bosch's Defrost feature is a fast, hygienic way to defrost frozen food. It uses the fan to quickly spread room temperature air around the cavity. Because it doesn't use heat, it won't cook any areas of your food, so it's completely safe and much quicker than defrosting overnight. If you're looking for a model with fantastic features to help you in the kitchen, this great quality stainless steel built-in electric single oven from Bosch is an excellent choice.